Hello. Welcome to Bella Bin's Chinese food kitchen. Into this kitchen, I'm going to share with you a very wonderful yellow bean recipe. That is the stewed yellow bean with pork meat. The main material for this recipe are pork tenderloin, yellow bean, and the others are shown on this photo. First step, let's remove two end points and the carob gluten if there are some. Then break them into small pieces. Next, clean all the vegetables, then cut the green onion into two parts, white part and green part. Chop each part into small pieces. Cut ginger into small pieces. Remove the seeds from the green pepper. Then cut the green pepper into small strips. Then cut the carrot into small triangles. Cut the half potato into small rectangles. But those rectangles are a little bigger than the carrot triangles. Wash and rinse the yellow beans. Find the green of this pork tenderloin, then cut the pork tenderloin along the green into small segments. Cut each segment into small thin slices. Next, heat a stir-fry pan over high heat. When the pan is very hot, add in oil, then add in pork tenderloin slices. Stir-fry the pork slices with the oil about half of a minute until all the meat change color to white. Then add in ground Sichuan pepper. Add in green onions and ginger pieces. Stir fry everything in the pan. Stir fry about 30 seconds. Let the taste of onion and ginger come out. Add in yellow beans and carrot pieces. Stir fry everything in the pan for about 1 minute. Let yellow beans and carrots a little wilted. Add in salt. Mix salt with everything. Then add in light soy sauce. Add in oyster sauce. Stir fry everything in the pan for about 30 seconds. Let the taste of soy sauce and oyster sauce come out. Then add in the cold water. Add in potato pieces. Stir to mix everything well. Cover the pan and turn the heat to low heat and boil about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we use the boiling water in the Dutch oven to boil the pasta. Stir occasionally. Don't want the pasta stuck on the bottom. Cover to boil about 10 minutes. Now the time is up for the bean mixture. We open the cover to check everything to see if potatoes are soft enough. Oh, the potato still need to cook another 2 minutes. Now the time is up again for the beans. We open the cover. Add in green pepper strips. Stir to mix everything. Boil until there is not too much broth left. Then add in liquid potato starch. Stir to mix everything again. Boil a little bit until the broth is very thick. In the meantime, we open the Dutch oven cover, check if the pasta are well cooked. Oh, still a little bit harder. We boil a little bit more. Now, the yellow beans are well cooked. We turn off the heat. The pasta are well cooked too. We transfer the pasta into a big plate. Then transfer the bean mixture on the top of the pasta. Now our lunch plate is ready. Let me try first to see how is everything. Everything looks wonderful. Wow, it's really delicious. The pork, meat, and the beans are so tasty, and the pasta are so al dente. Everything is good. Like my recipe? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.